Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to disable automatic updates. The reason why you could want to disable automatic updates is because you don't want the updates as frequently as they come. So you're going to click on windows.r, then click on services.msc, which opens the services. So now on your services, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to Windows updates. Once you find Windows updates, you're going to right click and go to properties, or just double click it. Then you're going to change there from manual to disabled startup type. So once you click on disabled, then you're going to stop the service. Once you've stopped the service, leave everything else as it is, as I'm showing you on the screen. So don't change anything. Then you're going to click on OK and apply. So once you've done that, now you have stopped automatic updates on your Windows machine. If you ever want to do the reverse of that, just go to Windows and click on automatic. And that's it. See you in the next one.